Today is Thursday, February 22nd, I believe. I'm heading out to the office. This is my camera that I ordered that I will be shipping back. I am just going to get a return for it. But quick OTD of the day. I have on a USF shirt. That's pretty much basically what it is. I can't get my jacket open because my hands are tied. I have on my UGC, my gospel choir Letterman jacket. And I have on my USF pants. They are from Pink. My booty says Pink because they're from Pink, Victoria's Secret. There we go. USF pants. And then I have on my Nikes. I guess since I'm vlogging now, I have to look cute on camera all the time. That's gonna be kind of a stretch for me because I'm not really a morning person, and then when I get up early in the morning, I mean, who has time for makeup, like to do a full face of makeup? I will probably put on some lip gloss, and I do need to lotion my face because I try not to go anywhere with my face ashy. But after you shower, you know, you just be ashy. I do have coconut oil in my purse, so I will be applying some coconut oil. I also need to adjust to this weather because right now it's cold. It's cold right now and it's raining. So it's been like this for the past few days. But I hope y'all, I'm so ashy. I'm sorry, y'all. I need to do better. My face is just ashy on camera. It's 2018. It's lotion, it's coconut oil, it's pretty much plenty of resources for my face that I'll be ashy. And my hair today, I'm just kind of wearing just a head scarf, tie, headband thing because I don't have time. I'm running out to get to the post office and then get to work. But I love you guys so much. God loves you. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Just ashy. Have an amazing day, and I will catch you with y'all soon. So we have some goodies in the office today. Thank you, David, for sending us this king's cake. Oh, wow. Looks really good. Smells really good. Oh my God. Okay, so it's my first time having king's cake, and it's delicious. It's pretty much like a really big cinnamon roll Danish cake thing with icing and Mardi Gras colors on it. Thank you, David. We appreciate it. I just came from the bank and now I am in Aldi's. I don't know if you guys have an Aldi's in your state. If you do, Aldi's is like the ideal place to shop, to find like great savings and great prices and stuff. I just came to pick up a few things so I can make dinner tonight. I'm trying to stay away from the chips and dips because they are my favorite. Like, it's really bad. I will sit for a whole week and eat chips and dips, like the nacho chips and the queso. Look at behind me, guys. Look at all the wine. I'm trying to do better. I'm not drinking any kind of anything alcoholic for a while. But yes, I just came to pick up a few things, and then I will be on my way. Quick advice for you guys. I now have two banks. What I do is the second bank, you just, every time you get paid, you deposit a certain set amount of money into that bank account. So that way you have, it's kind of like a savings account, and I don't have a debit card for that account. I just have an ATM card, and my intentions again are not to use any funds in that account. I'm gonna try to go for every 6 months or every year. I will check in or like withdraw, or I don't know, but that account will be just for saving funds. But yeah, y'all should check out Aldi's, ALDIS. I will just put it somewhere here below on the side so you guys can see it. Amazing prices, any kind of groceries or just miscellaneous home items that you may need. You're welcome. Aldi, or I don't know how it's really pronounced, but they don't carry any bags, so you have to be able to like carry and pack up your own items. So I'm using my purse as a carrier holder thing. Also with their carts, with their shopping carts, you have to put in a quarter to get a shopping cart. So just something I thought I should just make a mention of. She asked me to lick a store. The devil is tempting me. After the week that I had, I might need me a little something. But yes, I am leaving Aldi. I went in there for just one item, y'all, and I'm leaving with all of this stuff. When I get to the house, I'll show y'all like what specific items I like getting from there and why. I'm gonna have to start making like a shopping list when I'm going to like the store or the grocery store, because I end up going across all the aisles and I see a whole bunch of stuff that I like, or I'm like, ooh, 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 and just start grabbing things that, you know, I don't necessarily really need, and I don't eat like that. So like a lot of the stuff will just like sit in my pantry or in the fridge until it goes bad. So I'm trying to do better and be like wise when it comes to like shopping and spending wisely and all that stuff, because that's why it's not good to shop when you're hungry too. I hate when I do this. So I specifically went to the store to get me some New Orleans styles rice, because I assumed that I didn't have any at the house. I have 2 of them in here. Oh, I'm pissed. But let me show you guys really quickly what I picked up at Aldi's.
I'm always trying to dance, y'all. But let me show y'all really quickly. I got some mini bell peppers. I love these because they're really good for like snacking. I also put them in my salad. And sometimes I just cut them up and cook with them. So I got 2 of the organic sweet mini bell peppers. As y'all can see, I have something going on back there. And the stove, I'm getting ready to cook my next item. Jambalaya. Nope, I lied. This is the dirty rice mix, New Orleans style. I love getting these from Aldi's. Like, I love getting these. But this is the reason why I specifically went to Aldi's, is to grab a box or 2 of these, because I assumed I did not have any here at the house. But turns out I had 2 of them actually here at the house that I could have just came home and made. But I'm the kind of person, like, if let's say I need to get some flour, and I can't remember if I have flour at the house or not. While I'm out, I'm going to go to the grocery store and just buy some flour, because I don't want to have the risk of coming home and then not having flour and then being pissed off and having to go back out to get flour. So that's kind of my mindset when it comes to that. I don't know if I have any rice at the house, so let me just stop by Aldi's after work and grab some. But turns out I have these 2 bad boys here in the pantry. This one is a jambalaya mix. Okay. And then this one is red beans and rice. Okay. And then the 2 that I got today are the dirty rice mix. I love these because like you just literally boil it in some water. So I don't know if not everyone can make rice. I am from, again, Haitian background, so I know how to make rice on the stovetop. But not everybody knows how to make rice on the stovetop, and I realize that. But again, it's very simple. Boil you some water, open up this bad boy, open the bag up, cut it up, pour it in there, let it boil until all the water goes down. And then you're going to cover it up. Or how we would say in my culture, after you let the rice boil and the water's going down, you let the rice touffer, okay? You have to touffer the rice. When the rice is being touffe, when it's being like, it's covered up, and I don't know how to explain it, but like all the water goes down, and you cover it up, and you let it sit and simmer, and then it'll cook the rice. But we touffe our rice, okay? To make it to make it come soft to, not soft, but for it to be edible, basically. Okay, you got touffe your rice. So anyways, done. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I love me some ramen noodles. A lot of people are like, oh my gosh, that's like a college meal, like nobody likes noodles. I beg to differ. I actually really enjoy eating noodles. Like just on my own time, I'll eat noodles. So I got me a 12-packer of chicken. This is one of my favorite flavors. I got the chicken from Aldi's. And I'm supposed to, I don't know, just keep this around. Like sometimes I want some soup. So, you know, just keep this in a pantry. But I will have to eventually cut out a lot of the stuff that I'm showing you guys, because I like to, from time to time, very, very, very much restrict how much carbohydrates I'm taking in. So a lot of things like this, these noodles and my rice, I'm gonna have to cut shortly because I want to get back on that. Yeah. Let's toss this over here in the pantry, actually. Oh God. Oh. Okay, that's why I don't toss items, because it's a fail. Next You guys, you don't understand. Like, I love the sparkling water from, my water's boiling. I love the sparkling water. I love the sparkling water from Aldi. I get it in all flavors. Right now I have the peach, the strawberry, and the white grape, I believe, are all the flavors that I have currently right now. Okay, so I'm trying to decide. I think I'm gonna go with the dirty rice mix for tonight. Let me bring y'all along with me. Give me just a second.
Just as I was explaining, you get some water and you put it into a decent sized pot and you bring it to a boil, okay? Then you get your New Orleans style rice, whether you have dirty rice, jambalaya, or the red beans and rice that I showed you guys.
You're going to open it up. Okay, but yeah, the rice comes packaged like this. It kind of has like the seasoning. It will have the seasoning already pre-packaged in here. You tear it up. Hold on. This isn't quite working for me. Oh my
Gosh. Okay. We'll get the rice opened up. I don't know why that was so difficult for me. Then you pour the contents into the hot boiling water. And you allow it to boil, and then you'll basically have rice in like 20 minutes, maybe 25. I don't really time. See, I don't time like my food and stuff when I'm cooking it because I just know, like you just, okay, maybe I don't know about y'all, but I just know, like, you know, that thing that your mom has or your grandma, when she just knows how much seasoning to put in that bad boy. She just knows how much salt she needs to put in there. She just knows how long she has to let it sit. She just knows how long it has to, you get the point, basically.
As I was explaining, I have these sparkling waters. This is peach flavored from Aldi's. I love getting these from Aldi's. I literally get these every single time I go to Aldi's, basically. That tells you how much I really, really enjoy these. I also have a white grape. Okay. And I also coat me some in strawberry. I like to have strawberry flavor because, you know, because my dad loves strawberry, so I guess like it just makes me think about my daddy. I love you, Dad. If you ever see my YouTube channel, I love you. I love you too, Mom. She's gonna be like, oh, so you love your father more than you love me. You don't say you love me, but you love your father. Mom, I love you too. Like, you know this. You know I love you. Like, in my heart. Another thing that I always get, last item that I always get when I go to Aldi's, I like clear them out. I love these Caesar salad kits. So convenient, very easy to grab. I just, in the morning, throw them in here. I just grab me one, pop it in my purse, pop it in the fridge when I get to the office. Lunch on deck, okay? So it's a Caesar salad kit. Comes with your croutons, you have your dressing included, and you have some shredded Parmesan cheese that comes already pre-packaged in here. They have the contents all pre-packaged in here. Sometimes I'll have my chicken or my shrimp, I'll make my meat separate and package it separately to bring to the office to include in my salad. Sometimes I'll bring my extra Parmesan cheese because I keep me some cheese here always. And then also sometimes I'll bring like a boiling egg. Sometimes I'll boil me like an egg or two, and then I'll bring it also pre-packaged with me to the office to include in my salad. But yes, that's pretty much
pretty much the items that I grab when I go into Aldi's. I'll get me some, like I said, some of the New Orleans style rice. I'll get me a Caesar salad kit. I love the mini bell peppers, and I absolutely am obsessed with their sparkling water and the different flavors. I have grape, strawberry, peach. They have pomegranate. They have a wide variety of different flavors that you can grab, but that's what I get.
Shaving in a secla, in a casa mia. No sé pa' cuándo se usa con bloque, palpilla. God grant you the serenity to not go off on people and to have a good attitude every single day of the week. In Jesus' name, amen. That's basically what it says to me. But I have my rice mix going. I have my candle lit. Right now we have the, ooh, it's hot. Ooh, hold on, wait a minute, y'all. This ain't gonna work. But I have my champagne and glitter scented candle, White Barn from Bath and Body Works going. Okay, it smells amazing. I just love to have me a candle going.
Have me a candle just going somewhere in the house, usually the room that I'm in, because we don't just light up candles and just let it burn. This is not Usher. We don't just let it burn. I need to be present in the room where the candle is, you know, currently lit.
But yes, got me candle going. If I could, I would have me a glass of wine, but I'm trying to stay away. Hey, and I gotta have me some music going on my iPad. But yes, I just have the rice going out of boil right now. Get pretty puppy. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, oh. Hey. Where you at? Where you at? Hey. Y'all, I swear I be having my own little parties by myself, be getting lit by myself in the house. One person party. I'm gonna tip, make sure you guys stir the rice, okay? You don't just let it boil like too much. You wanna make sure you stir it, but just a little bit. You don't wanna just be there like, okay? We're stirring just a little bit. Like keep the stirring to a minimum. But make sure you stir your rice as it's boiling. So, in the meantime, I need to be looking for the top of this pot so I can get my rice covered so I can touffee the rice. You guys are good. You got it. Alright. I think it's this one. Perfect match. Okay. Okay, you want to just let your rice go out of boil. With your rice, specifically this brand, you don't have to put salt or any kind of butter in your water. You just literally put a pot of water and let it boil, and you put the contents into the pot. This already comes with its seasonings and stuff, so don't add any salt, y'all, or don't add any pepper, because it will be salty. Or how my culture would say, it will be salty. You don't want to eat the food if it's salty. It's too salty, you won't be able to eat it. Okay, so just a quick FYI. Don't add no salt or no pepper to this, because it comes seasoned already. Just boil it. Okay?
I was trying to explain, but basically when majority of the water is already gone, it's all boiled down, you want to lower your stove. Okay, you want to lower that. Don't leave it on high. You want to come in around to the low setting. Low. Okay, maybe low. Okay, most of the water has gone down, all of it really. Okay, that's good right there. Top, and you let it touffee. Okay, you let this touffee. I'm not sure exactly on the time. Again, I don't time my food when I'm cooking it really. I just kind of know. So you just let it sit like this on low for a little while, and you can come back on occasion from time to time and test it out and check to see that the rice has come to. The rice is cooked. I don't really know how to explain it, but just making sure when you come back, you can check. If you lift it up, you can check to see that the rice is ready to eat. Okay, ready to eat. Y'all know how to do dishes, I hope. Just add your little soap and some water. Get your little scrubber pad. You get all in there, okay? You see, I wasn't raised on dishwashers. I mean, we had like a dishwasher in the hospital, but my mom would not allow us to use dishwasher. We need to learn how to wash by hand, okay? I don't know, even now having a dishwasher, I don't use it because I just prefer to wash my dishes by hand. Out of habit, you know? I have meat made, so I'm just gonna heat it up, as I mentioned, to add onto my rice, okay? That's very easy. Okay, microwave. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Cook. Chicken done. I'm playing. Cook your chicken. Don't microwave your chicken. Unless it's already cooked and it's leftovers and you're heating it up. Okay? 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 Keep that in mind. Right? I need a cover. Another thing out of habit, like I grew up with, like with your food, when you're microwaving it, okay?
Alright. Meat is ready. Ooh, that's lovely. That smells so good, you know? That smells so nice. The kids are ready to eat today. I'm wait. You have to have some contact on the kitchen when you're cooking. Because that's inspire you to cook better food, you know? That's going to inspire you. Listen, okay? Okay, I'm low-key with some bell peppers. Let's make sure. Y'all. So good. Oh my god. Okay, I'm definitely going to be adding some bell peppers. So I won't open this because I already have some in the fridge. Let's actually cut this stuff away. All of it. Alright. I like to keep these in the fridge. I like to be cold. I can just grab it when I'm ready to go. Okay, so earlier, y'all, I went to go return. Basically, I had to like send my camera back that I had ordered because it's crap. I did not like it. The camera was not gonna work for me. But I was so mad because like the seller had like a return label, so like I assumed it was good. I would just drop it off. So when I went to the counter at the post office, basically I ended up having to pay $13.50. What the heck? I was so mad. Like that's $13 that I won't get back. Well, I will get back because you know I work, but like still, I did not want to give them my $13 to send the item back. So I was pretty pissed off about that. I did not know that I was gonna have to pay to return something, but it is what it is. You make some, you lose some, I guess. But today's Thursday. I'm so ready for Friday because I'm ready for the weekend. I just really want to get some rest. I've been feeling so tired lately, y'all. Like my body is just feeling drained and I'm just sleepy. I'm not trying to do nothing, but I need to get back in the gym and I will pick up back on that. It's been kind of just tricky just getting back on track overall when you've been in and out, traveling, flights, road trips, back and forth, working different projects. So I'm trying to get back in the flow of my normal life. And then school, y'all. But that's okay because despite I'm so thankful, you know, for everything that I have. Because, you know, I'm sure there's somebody who would love to be able to go to school and have a job and be busy, you know. I'm sure there's someone out there that would switch places with me in a heartbeat. So I try to be thankful for any and everything. Where did I put that knife? Put it back in here. Pepper's fresh, but I just chose to like just saute it a little bit. Okay, so all I did here is I just added a little butter. That's it. Any other day I probably would have added some seasoning, but in my rice and in my meat, like I have plenty of seasoning that's going to be going on my dish, so we're not adding any kind of seasoning to this. Any other day I would have added some spices, maybe some pesto. I cook with pesto a lot, so any other day I would have definitely added a little more to it, but today just a little butter, just a little tiny bit of butter to get it going, and I cut up the mini bell peppers that I got from Aldi's, and just get it on here for a little while, give a little color to it. As you guys can see, it's getting a little brown there. See? Okay. And it's pretty much about to be done. That's pretty much about it. Another thing about me, I love onions. Oh my gosh, I love onions so much. I love bell peppers and I love onions. So yeah, that's pretty much, that's that. Get a little color to it, and I'm gonna add it to my meat now, add it on my dish, and it's a wrap. This is the case with everyone, but with like me, I can kind of, maybe it's just this particular brand, but I can kind of smell, by the smell, like it just kind of fills the house. I can tell when the rice is like ready. I think it's with every rice, maybe, I don't know, but like with this particular brand, I can kind of like smell by the scent, by the aroma. I can tell. I can tell when it's ready, when it's good to go. It's looking like. Love these bell peppers. The bell peppers kind of gives it like a sweet, tangy. Yeah. I gotta go, y'all. I'm eating too good. But
if you guys want any content with like Haitian dish, Bahamian dish, any kind of dish, really, like, if I can make it, you know, just drop your ideas and your suggestions below. I'm gonna go because I don't want my food to get cold and it's busting right now. I'm gonna go eat. I love you guys as always.